Hey girlies. I look a hot mess right now because I took the ACT this morning. It was rough. I'm not allowed to disclose test questions, but it was bad. So today I'm going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, but I'm gonna try to do that like sunset eye. I got really inspired because I've been on vacation. There's my suitcase. But I didn't know to vlog. I didn't vlog, because it takes me like 2 hours to edit one video, and I'm like, nobody even watches my videos, so what's the point, right? And I thought I was gonna quit YouTube, so I deleted all of my apps, and I'm just not realizing that, so that's great. Anyways, my hair looks really bad, but since I've been swimming and whatnot, I don't want to put heat on my hair because that's stupid. And all my makeup's in here because I've been on vacation. What do you guys want to talk about? Do you want me to tell you about my vacation? Alright, I'm just gonna talk about my vacation because nobody's actually listening to this until like tomorrow or something. I don't know. It was really fun. I went with my best friend. Best friend shown here. And it was a great time. We went to Myrtle Beach with her whole family. She has a huge family, and I have one sibling, which I love my sibling. Her name's Anna. She's 23. It was nice to get away. Want to go to the beach?
Who am I? Let's go to the beach! Beach! Ninky Minjai.
Anyways, it's nice to get away and do something different for once and experience new things, new beginnings, you know. I'm actually really disappointed in myself because it's like the end of July or like the middle of July, and I told myself I was gonna be uploading Fiend this summer, and that wasn't me. Just because I'm really impatient. That's my issue. I need to learn patience. I want things to happen, like I want my video to be recorded and edited, but like that doesn't happen like that, and that's my issue. I just want everything to happen as fast as possible, and I can't make that happen. So yeah, first eyebrow done. Alright, next. Now that I got home from vacation, I'm literally waiting for my boyfriend to get home. It's gonna be 10 days. Just like 7 or 8. He doesn't know what day he's coming home. It depends on like how long it takes them to drive, if they stop, blah 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 blah, how much they stop. But yeah, now I'm just priming my face. I put a lot on because I want this to work. I'm gonna give it a fair try. I want a smooth surface. I'm doing that sunset eye. If I mess that up, then I mess up everything. You know what I mean? So like I don't know if I want to try this out yet. But I just got this yesterday. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral. I'm looking a little busted right now. We're just gonna ignore that. And school's approaching us pretty freaking fast. I realized that today as I'm taking the ACT, and I'm thinking, I visited one college and I didn't like it, so not a great start. If this college was, we're not gonna say what it is because I'm not gonna bash any colleges, but if this college was, say, had a better reputation for the field that I wanted to go into, I would put more of an interest towards it. Like I would actually look into going there. I want to be a nurse, alright? And I want to go to a school that's like a good school for nursing, like not just one that I'm going to be paying a bunch of money for and then not actually like. I'm just hoping to get a better score on my ACT this time so I can have more options for colleges. I felt like I did a lot better than I did last time, which is a good sign. Like, 10 out of 10, Rylie. Good job. I'm gonna set my eyes. I'm not gonna share what I got last time. I mean, yeah, I will. It's a 21. It's not that bad. Like, it could have been worse, you know? I wanted to improve. I mean, okay, I suck at math, so what was I gonna do? It's not gonna get substantially better because I'm just not good at it. Like, I will literally look at a problem for like 20 minutes. I think in my head that if I stare at it, I'll like understand what to do. I'm gonna insert a picture, and then every time I go to use that color, I'm going to like keep my audio, but then like flash a picture of what color I'm using. See, this is why I couldn't take the SAT, because SAT has like fill-in options, and no. Alright, I'm gonna use this neon orange then, because that's what I want. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm going to be a senior, class of 2019. It's crazy. It was like I was a freshman yesterday. Everybody I talked to is like, oh yeah, I'm so ready to be done. I'm like, sis, I feel like I'm just getting started. I can see both sides. Side tangent, I'm mixing that orange and the red. I can see both sides, or like both sides of the argument of moving on and getting older, just because it gets tiring being in high school. Like, people are annoying. So yeah, but on another note, I'm really excited because I'm entering varsity this year. I do basketball and football cheer. I mean, it's exciting because I've just never done it before and it's a new experience for me. I'm just glad I get to do it this year because it's like been my dream, you know? But you know when you're little and you're like, look at the cheerleaders, you're like, oh, I want that to be me one day. That was me. Because I used to play volleyball, so I thought that if I said that, people would judge me so bad. Because like, I play volleyball, like I don't cheer. And now I'm doing it, y'all. I'm doing it. I've been doing it, but I feel like I need another like orange, but there's only one orange in this palette. This is not deep enough for me to like cut my crease. I think I'm gonna take a burnt orange and pop dating. I'm gonna take my Morphe 35O palette, this color, and the same brush I was using because I'm lazy and I don't like switching brushes. Anyways, I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, cheerleading. How much I love it. It's so fun. Taking this one. And then to participate in themes and stuff, it's just a great time. I love cheer. All the seniors from like last year, like the graduated seniors, talking about how much they miss it, and I'm like, makes me emotional. I kind of want to like, I'm just gonna cut my crease. I mean, I'm gonna do like I left this like middle part to do the spotlight. So that's what I'm gonna do, I guess. Don't wish away high school, because I'm gonna be a freaking senior and I'm really sad about it.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna go with this. It looks pretty good. I'm just gonna mix these two yellows on the end of this brush. I'm just gonna pack that. Ooh, that looks kind of cute. Now I'm gonna try to clean it up. I'm gonna use those oranges and reds again. I'm just gonna blend it above my crease.
These are so uneven.
I'm gonna take the, what's it called, red ochre. So I want to deepen it up a little bit and then add some purples. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna more precisely put that in and then blend it with a thicker brush. Oh no. Wait, I guess I can do that. Looks kind of cute. Let me pop some of that on this side. Alright, let's continue. So far I have like 30 minutes of footage and I'm not even done, so. I want it to come out good so bad, guys. Like, you really don't understand. My dog just hopped up in my bed. Wait, that looks so artistic. I just did something. I'm taking red ochre and I'm like making it gradient on the sides. But then after I do that, I'm gonna try to like make the yellow pop again. I'm gonna take this brush, take the yellow again, just put it back, make it pop again. I'll keep blending. Maybe I should put some purple in it. We'll just put some freaking purple in it. Oh wait, I kind of like that. But it looks really purpley. I have primer on, and I'm not done with my eyes. Like, I've got to put mascara on, and I don't have falsies right now, so I'm just not gonna put on. But I want to try this foundation out. Color looks good. I don't know how I feel about that smell. It feels really greasy, and like, I don't know how I feel about that. And I haven't really found a foundation that I love so far. I mean, I really like the Fit Me foundation, but I have the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. Horrible. Sucks. Don't buy it. Don't spend your money on it. It freaking cracks and oxidizes so bad. Like I said, I'm not quite sure how I feel about this just yet. It's definitely full coverage, like, besides that freaking weird red spot on my face. It's definitely full coverage. Let's highlight. Anywho, I'm gonna bake now. I'm really concerned about smile lines and cracking with this foundation because Fit Me doesn't crack around my smile lines and every other freaking foundation does. Or on my forehead. Actually, I'm gonna bronze because, like, there's no powder right there, so. I'm using this Eco Tools brush and Hoola bronzer. It's really busted, but we're just gonna ignore that. Now I'm just gonna bronze my forehead. Now I'm just brushing my bake off if you don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna blush myself up and highlight. I'm just freaking packing this on my eyes. Going to highlight my brow bone now. I'm gonna take red ochre and Relgar because it's basically what's on my eyes. And yep, just do that. I'm gonna tap into these two yellows and just like blend it in the center. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put mascara on, and then I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. I actually really like it now that I have mascara on. But now I'm just gonna set my face with the All Nighter spray. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I really like it. I think it's like different than anything I've ever done. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more, because then I'll start posting more if I have a motive to post. So yeah, thanks guys, bye.